So everybody, so today we are finally playing Animal Company for the first time, and by the title, we're gonna get in the new map and see how much these orbs, little thing, whatever, new object cost. And also, I know a glitch to get outside the map that I found and updated, but they have not patched it, and I've been using it ever since. So, yeah, let's get straight into it. So, first, let's do how to get outside the map. So you want to go, I would recommend not having anything in your hands, but this is the easier way, well, harder way since the gliders and it's kind of slippery right here. But there's like a staircase over here. So if you have items in your hand, there's a staircase right here. You can just walk, oh, whoops. You can just walk up here and then run up here. And now this is kind of hard if you have objects in your hand, but if you have an object, put it in this hand. So you can wall run in this hand. But just wall run right here. Now this is another hard part. You want to jump like this. So like I would recommend going right here and jumping like that. Then you can run up here. And now you're right here. So just bounce off of this wall. Run up here. And then you're over here. And now if you accidentally jump outside the map and it's like this, there's this little crevice right here that you can push your body into. So just, oh, like that. And then right here, so this is where you need no things, but right here. And then right here, so you're gonna need this for the video, to get down there, down there, but we're gonna need items to get down there. So let's hop in a public lobby, and yeah. So let's go. Okay, so once you're here, grab the medium-sized backpack with nothing in it. But these are the 3 items you're gonna need. So you're gonna need 2 fireworks. I'd recommend putting this thing, if you have the waist slot, put it on your waist. But if you don't, put it in your backpack. Put the other one.
Wait, how do you get the backpack?
In your backpack. So now you have
how do you get the backpack?
That's it. That's all you need. So run over here and do the glitch I showed you guys. And now, by the way, if you can't wall run good, I'd recommend you shooting right in the middle of there. But if you can, wall run right here. If you can't, just use another rocket, 3 rockets. Now, here's the thing. If it gets dark, jump straight down. So that's why you need to jump like this, because there's no other way that I haven't found out. So you just need to walk like that to not get it dark. If it does, go straight down there. But just follow my lead over here. Now this is
you want there, Roger?
Easy, right there. Oh, I'm gonna need that. So you. Oh, I just jumped way too far, but
I was doing it as a joke.
Just do it straight. So this is actually a good spot. But if it's not, on this thing, this is, I never landed out here. But this is a kind of good spot. I guess I can,
where's my friend?
That hurt.
Where did my friend go? Where are you at?
Somewhere to hide.
I'm on the rope and I can
And then get this thing. And now, you will most likely die here. So if you die, just follow my lead. So yeah, once you're done here, that's really, this eye right here is the worst part of it. This is one I hate about this part. Because of that stupid eye, it literally just stays there. So I recommend once it shoots, it will shoot like a heart in a box. this part is kind of the worst part, but if you're right here, sometimes there can be a lot of gyms up here, but there's not any, so jump. I'm really close, and yes, that's the way in. I think there's somebody here. Well, yes, there is no eyes over here. This is the best part. Unless you go over there. If you see those little things floating around, I'm pretty sure if those things see, those are the eyes, but I'm gonna have to get over there, so this is... these things cost... Oh, yep. Like $10,000? Because of how dangerous this mission is?
Yo, we're...
Oh, there's somebody in here. Okay. That was the... Okay, so... That's an eye over there. And these eyes do not like to leave you alone.
Guys, what is that sound?
Like, the hearts are the most...
What is that sound? It's coming from over here. It's up.
annoying thing in the world over here. It's like you can't they can't mind their own business
What?
for us taking their
Guys, I
stuff.
don't know where I
So,
am.
unlike other things, they have weaknesses, but
Where are
eyes
you? Where
do
are
not
you?
have weaknesses. If you get too close, you die.
Where is that sound?
Come on, I can make it. Ooh!
I'm going to it right
I
now.
made it. I was like an inch away from dying there, but okay. I'm gonna. Oh, I have a shadow. I'm gonna make sure there's not an eye. I don't think it flies over here. Wait, this spot may be good. Spot? Wait, hold up. No. Why is that slippery? But okay, if you just hear or something like that, you should.
Guys, what is that sound?
Yes.
I don't know.
And these gyms? No. Oh my gosh.
Guys, where
These
is that?
gyms are the best sometimes. These gyms are sometimes the best things.
What is that sound?
They're in the walls. But yes, you can climb on top of them.
Guys, what is that crying? I'm going to it right now.
You know what?
Guys, what is that?
Okay, so I
Who
got.
wants to go mining? Want to go mining?
Dang, I should. Yes, I got it. Okay. I've gotten like 4 of them. 4 of these things. But there's 2 more up there, so I'm gonna go get this real quick. Oh, I'm at the wrong place. No, my backpack.
I'm a chicken nugget. Let's go mining.
So I have gotten all of them right over here. I'm pretty sure I have like 6 or 5 of these. But, so there's 2 options I can go. I can run over there, risk my life dying, or I can just leave my game and rejoin. So, that's what I'm gonna do. So, be right back. Okay, and we are back. So let's see how much we have gotten. They actually, wow, that weighs a lot. Okay, so that actually weighs a pretty good amount. Okay, so let's see how much one of these cost. So one in there. See how much one of these cost. $636. Okay, not bad. Except for the fact that you gotta go on a death mission for one of these things. That's... Okay, I got $3,000. That's pretty decent. I mean, if I do say so myself, that's pretty decent. But I'm probably never gonna go back there that way. But money, I mean, I gotta get some money myself. But before I end the video, I have 9 research points. So let's go buy something. So I don't know what I'm gonna buy, but there's some new things right here. Zipline grapplers. So this is 3, 5. That's 9, and I need 5 more, so I'm not gonna get those. Pickaxe is 3. 1, 4. Oh, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I think this is the way to go. So I need to go on a mission. Oh, it's right here. 3. I have 5. There's 2 more. Pickaxe. I got 2. Why did I just buy 2? Crap. Okay. Well, I'm pretty sure I have not at the money I started with, but I'm probably never gonna go back down there. But I want to go see what this is up here. 3 is crossbow. Okay, I never wanted that. Okay. So yeah, before the video ends, I'm gonna do a lot more videos on this game, because, yeah, but I'm actually gonna, there, okay, last thing before I end it. Let's go give one of these away. Actually, both.
Yeah,
I dropped it. Does anybody want another one?
Where's the guy?
Mission successful!
Where's the red one?
I killed him!
I'm
gonna
another
let fly.
Did you get my
Does anybody
story?
want my backpack?
Yeah,
oh, but I want your back.
Me, who is the killer?
Who's gonna grab that?
Yo, I'm double wielding now. Guys, I'm double wielding.
That one kid got all my stuff.
I'll learn from Yellow Waves. I'm double wielding things.
That kid got all my
learned
stuff.
from Yellow,
Bye,
now I'm
everyone.
double
See you next
wielding.
time. Peace out.